Hey everybody, it's Kathy and I'm glad you're here because this is something you need to know about. So this is a Swerve and it is made to go along the same shape as your head. It is just so comfortable and just so easy to use, and I wanted to show you how it works. So let me just show you quickly. If I gather my hair, can you see me? Yeah. Gather my hair in a ponytail and just twist it. Keep twisting. And you want your twist to be a little bit tight, but not too tight. Okay, so you need to give that Swerve something to grip. So I will usually do that and then kind of spread it out. So this is going to go in the opposite of the shape of your head, because when you put it in, you want it to go against your head. So you're going to catch that roll right there. Do a U-turn, catch the hair at your scalp, and come back through. And that is it. I need to find my mirror so I can make sure. See how that works? So the spokes here come through. That doesn't matter. It's just a really cute way to put your hair up. So that's a bun. Now I'll show you, there are also beaded ones. That one is, I think that one's called Freestyle. This is the mixed metal. I don't want it to be blurry. This is the pearl, which is absolutely gorgeous. I could see a bride in that, or even someone for prom or homecoming. So they're very pretty. There's also, which I do not have in stock because I've sold it, there's one that has blue and purple beading, and there's one that has turquoise beading. So these are amazing. There's also a silver, a black nickel, and they look very similar. I'll show you the difference. Silver and a black nickel. So there are two separate silvery ones. The rose gold and just a normal yellow gold. Now I can show you also, they work for a French twist as well. So if I gather my hair like that, put this finger and wrap the hair around, and then just keep twisting that. As I go up my head. Just give it one more twist so you've got a nice tight twist there. And then I will take this at the top of that twist and then push it in. And that makes a nice, tight French twist. Kind of messy. I don't usually like, I like to spread that out a little bit better. Try that one again. So, here's what I didn't like. I didn't get enough of it spread this way to make it look nice and neat. So as you twist, grab that hair there. I might have made a total mess of it now. So, grab that and go back through. Okay, that looks better from that side. There we go, that's much better. So you saw what I did there, how I messed up. So this is a good video for if you flub up your French twist. So sometimes it looks a lot neater if you make sure you smooth it out on the side here. All right, so that is it. That is the really awesome Lilla Rose Swerve. Remember, they come in the blingy ones or plain. If you like just simple, you can wear these in the pool. You can wear them to bed. They are the shape of your head, so they don't hurt your head to sleep, and it keeps your hair off your face at night. So that is all I wanted to share with you tonight. Thanks again for watching, and please hit the button, subscribe, and I will keep showing you some more great videos. See you then. Bye.